Hi, I'm Joshua Papineau. Occasionally I have a new student who seems to think that coming to my pronunciation lessons and taking notes is all they have to do to improve their English accent. One of the first things I say to every new class is, this is not a lecture class, this is an exercise class. I could teach you everything I know about pronunciation, but nothing will change until you move your mouth differently. Speaking English well requires three things: a certain amount of vocabulary, knowledge of grammar, and easy to understand pronunciation. Vocabulary and grammar can be learned and memorized from books and lectures from the outside in. Pronunciation is different. Of course, it requires learning new information, but the real work is from the inside out. Pronunciation is an inner practice or inner skill. What do I mean by that? We pronounce any language by shaping our voice with the jaw, tongue, lips, and teeth. You learn to speak your first language unconsciously and rely on muscle memory to control your mouth movements. When you learn a second language, in this case English, you have to go inside your body and feel your tongue, feel your jaw, feel your lips, and start consciously controlling how you move them. This takes quiet attention and sensitivity. The other part of this is listening to yourself and recognizing how your sound changes as you move each part of your mouth. This is how you master any physical skill, like tennis or piano. You can watch and listen to someone play the piano, but until you start trying to control the movement of each finger, you won't be able to play. You can watch the best tennis players in the world, but until you pick up a tennis racket and start swinging it, you won't be able to play. When you practice any physical skill, you go inside your body, and as you feel and observe the result of each movement, you modify it to get closer to your desired result. Through a cycle of move, feel, monitor, and adjust, you gradually get better and better. In the case of pronunciation, it's speak, listen, feel, and adjust. This takes quiet and concentration. One good example would be learning the difference between the two English vowels E and I. Japanese has only one vowel in this area of the mouth, E, so it can be hard at first for you to even hear the difference between them. Close your eyes now and listen carefully as I say both of them. Peek, pick. Leave, live. Feel, fill. Heat, hit. When you close your eyes and concentrate, you can hear the difference, right? The next step is learning the physical tongue position for each of these vowels. Then as you practice, you speak, listen, feel, and adjust. Some people think they must have a teacher to learn pronunciation. Without a teacher, they don't even want to try. There's an old Buddhist story where enlightenment is represented by the moon, and the master is a finger pointing at the moon. If a student keeps staring at the finger, he or she will never see the moon. Even if your teacher is amazing, the only way to benefit from what you learn is to speak, listen, feel, and adjust. You might say, but I need someone to correct me because I don't know if I'm doing it right. Yes, the teacher can correct you, but then you still have to take your attention off the teacher, go inside, and speak, listen, feel, and adjust. There's no other way to do it. And what if there is no teacher available? Does that mean it's impossible? Not at all. But first you have to decide to believe it is possible. Then find a good online video course from a teacher you trust. So to learn English pronunciation or any other physical skill, slow down, relax, and go inside yourself. I made the videos in my online course as clear, calm, and quiet as possible so you can focus your attention deeply inside. Try it and see. Thanks for watching, and talk to you again soon.